You're gonna copy this one and you're gonna go to this side, you're gonna paste it on here, and you're gonna make $200 for that. In this video, I'm gonna show you an easy and simple way to make $200 by copy and paste articles, guys. This method works worldwide, anyone can do it, no technical skill is needed, guys. Basic copy and paste method that you can make money online for free worldwide. So watch this video carefully. I'm going to show you all the free tools where you can do it. A website that generating 223 million visitors per month. You can post these articles and you can generate free traffic and you can make money. You can apply affiliate marketing, CPM marketing, whatever. So watch this video carefully until the end to learn more about that. Also, if you subscribe, like and press the bell icon, like this video and watch the video until the end, that you can win £10 PayPal money. First of all, you need to understand where you can get these free articles. You can get this free article from entirely content or killerplr.com. This is a PLR website that you can generate or you can obtain free PLR contents or PLR article that you can post, you can sell, you can modify, you can do whatever you want. In this video specifically, I am targeting SEO related articles. Here it's all articles is about SEO related article. Now I'm going to show you the product I want to promote for this video, and if you watch it carefully until the end, I'm going to show the website where you're going to post it for free. Unlimited content, you can post it for free, you can put your affiliate link and you can make your money, passive income actually, guys. So watch it carefully here. So after you find a niche and after you find an article on that niche, you're going to find an affiliate offer. You can visit ClickBank, MaxPowerty, Warrior Plus, but because I'm promoting SEO, I'm going with this software called brush.com or smrush.com. You can see this is smrush, the main website. These are the landing page. You can see here, these are the landing page. So this brush is an affiliate profile for the SMrush. So I'm going to promote this SMrush SEO tools. Basically this tool used by bloggers, social media agencies to promote or identify the content so they can optimize for the search engine to generate organic traffic, guys. So all you have to do is join this affiliate program and you promote that. When they bought something, you can make $200 for that. Again, if you refer someone and they put the email address, you can make $10 for that. Now also, one thing you need to consider, this money is a recurring commission. So every single month you can make money. Once you refer a person, that person bought a subscription from SMRA's website, you can generate a recurring commission forever for every single month, guys. So find an affiliate program or affiliate product that can pay you recurring commissions, so it's better, so you can target specific that product with this free article from this website, so you can generate free traffic and you can try more traffic to that affiliate offers. When they bought the affiliate offers, you can make a recurring commission. So I'm only targeting SEO related articles. I'm only promoting this affiliate products. So if anyone bought, I can make a recurring commission every single month. Now I'm going to show you the website where you can post this article for free. This website is called medium.com. Yes, medium.com is a website. You can create a free account with them. After you create your free account with them, you can go there and post an articles and you can put your affiliate link. Whenever people click and read your articles and they click the link and they buy something, you can make a commission. Basic idea, guys. Again, you can see this website is generating over 223 million visits every single month, and the number of people are visiting this website going up every single month. Also, the top country is United States, so the people from United States definitely buy something. Second one is India, third one is UK, guys. So after you create a free account, this is your dashboard. I already post one article here. Now what you're going to do after you post one article here, there's two things called import story, write story. Import story, if you click that, it will take to this page. If you have a website and you have a blog post, you can copy the URLs here, put it on here, and it automatically pull the article for you with image and videos and everything. It's simple. It requires less than 1 minute to do it. And you can upload all of your posts from your website to this site, guys. And if you don't have any website, don't worry, go with the second story. Write a story and it will take you to this backend page where you can copy and paste this free article from Killer PLR. So this is the article. I want to copy and paste it, and I'm going to copy this title and paste it on here. Simple. I'm going to paste it on here, title. Then I go back and I'm going to paste entire content here, copy the entire content. And what you're going to do, copy that and you're going to paste it on here. Very simple. Now what you're going to do here, you're going to insert your affiliate link, guys. There's a two different way you can insert affiliate link. The way I'm doing is, first what you're going to do, because I'm targeting SEO, I'm going to highlight this part SEO here, and I'm going to my affiliate page. This is the landing page that you can promote. Click any of them to open. Again, it's specific for my niche, but you can select any niche and any affiliate offers, guys. So what you're going to do, click this landing page, copy this code, go back to your Medium post, and you can highlight that part here, and what you're going to highlight, and you can, this is the title, so you can insert any affiliate link in the title. Go to the second part, you're going to click that and you're going to paste it on here and click enter. That's it, guys. Simple. So again, you're going to click this one, copy and paste that link and click enter. Your link is added on here. And the second way I do it, basically I type in a sentence. The second way I do it like this one: get your free is free trial, something like that, because this website, this affiliate website, is showing the free trial. So you can see I'm gonna earn every $10 for every new trial activation. So there's a free registration. If they register for it, I'm gonna make $10. Again, it's different for different offers. Then I'm gonna do what, again, go there and I'm gonna highlight this part and I'm gonna insert my affiliate link, something like that. Okay, you're gonna repeat this for your niche, guys. Post as many articles every single day. After you did that, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna insert an image for that, like a header image. So I'm gonna click the image icon. For this video, I keep it simple. I already made a banner for different posts. I'm gonna upload it here, then I can go back and re-edit that. After you upload the images, what you're going to do, you're going to click publish button and it will take you to this page. Again, they will say you can, there's another way to earn money on Medium. I'm going to walk you through that entire step later. First, what you know, click continue. This is the preview of the banner. This is the title. This is the thing will be applied. There's a meta description here. Again, you can change the description if you want. Here, you can add the tags like SEO. You can do affiliate marketing, something like that. And after that, what you're going to do, click publish. And you can in a single day you can upload as many as articles. You can then schedule the each post for different date cards if you want. Again, you can see your story is published, and this is the final part of your story. Your name is inside, and this is your article. And again, see that this is your affiliate link, right? If you click this affiliate link, and it will take to the affiliate page, they bought something, you can make money. Again, this website doesn't block any affiliate link like other social media. This website allows to put the affiliate link. Now you can see this is your dashboard. If you go to your dashboard here and you click stories, and you can see there's one is under draft, and if you click published, there's a 2 articles that you published. Again, if you want to add something, click this one, edit story. You can re-edit it or you can update your post in the future. Again, like your website, you don't have to buy a domain, you don't have to buy a hosting. All you have to do is upload this free article here and promote in a specific niche. So upload your article in a specific niche and promote a specific affiliate offers. It's better to promote one single affiliate offers in your article, so you can target that offers over and over again, and you can make money from it, guys. There's a second way that you can make money from Medium, is from their partner program. We click this button, and here is a one called Medium Partner Program. If you go there, you have to join with them. Again, like an ad revenue, like a Google AdSense revenue, they're going to pay you money for your post. Whenever people start watching, read your post, you're gonna get paid. I don't have any clear idea about that. I will make a updated video in the future, but again, this is the second way that you can make money is from Medium itself, guys. So uploading free article onto the Medium, you're going to make two ways. The majority of the money is coming from affiliate marketing, that you are promoting affiliate offers. The second way that you can earn money is from Medium itself, guys. So I hope you understand basic idea of this video. Is you find any niche that you want to promote, then you're going to go to the killerplr.com and you're going to find these free articles from Killer PR articles. After that, you're going to upload these articles to medium.com. Then you can insert your affiliate link, anything, guys. You can insert a recurring affiliate commission, or you can just go to ClickBank and find an affiliate offers, or you can go to CPA Lead or Max Bounty. You can promote a CPS offers, up to you guys. Then upload it here over and over again, and when your article starts to generate a organic traffic, you earn money, guys. I hope this is very simple. So if you are looking to start affiliate marketing without website, this is one of the best way, guys. So I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, all you have to do is subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon. Also, when this video get 100 likes, I can give you away 10 point PayPal money. All you have to do is like this video, and then in the comment section only type I like this video. When I pick the winner, then I will contact you. Then you can send me the PayPal address, guys. Under that, have a good day. See you next video.